The Organizer 2PC Set. Two-piece system offers the best of both worlds. The Combine plus the Anchor provide the ultimate in single-serve coffee, tea, cocoa pod storage with the coordinating organizing Caddy. Together they optimize counter space and the ability to organize all condiments in one streamlined system. Sturdy non-slip multi-slot with drawers. Caddy features compartments and drawers for storing beverage condiments including creamers, sugar, coffee pods, ketchup, mustard packets and salt, pepper packets, flat top surface perfect for small single-serve coffee maker. Perfect for at home, office, restaurant or hospitality. Makes coffee and tea service areas easy to organize and refill as needed. Place near coffee pot, hot water, snack machines or areas where people gather to eat. 2% set as a complete coffee, tea condiment station, holds up to 52 single-serve coffee pods. Versatile organizer space saver. Multi-compartment organizer helps to keep loose condiments, ketchup and mustard packets, paper clips, thumb tacks, rubber bands and anything that needs organizing in their place until you're ready to use them. Stack cups with ease. Even place additional essentials on flat top surface. Lightweight and durable. Durable constructions is food safe and easy to situate in the perfect spot on work counter, kitchen counter, tabletop or desk. Can withstand day-to-day use of office employees, warehouse staff, hotel patrons and more. Easy carry and non-slip. It's easy to move this light bamboo and metal organizer Caddy so that it's close to coffee pots, hot water cooler or anywhere you need this organizer to sit. Use for traditional condiment organizer or to organize items as needed. Perfect for dorms and college. Students and teachers need organizers too. Use in dorm rooms, common areas where coffee, tea, hot chocolate, hot water is served. Keep near snacks and food. Kitchen countertop organizer. All kitchens need organizing and this is a sure way to organize those coffee pods. Keep on counter or hide away in kitchen cabinets if you've got the space and like things tucked away behind cabinet doors. Easy to clean. Keeping organizers is easy. Simply wipe clean with hot water and cleaning product to reduce dirt. Keeping supplies off the counter is cleaner and healthier for everyone using them. Top reviews from the United States. Looks very classy. One thing I had wondered about this unit was whether it was connected or could be separated. In fact, it can be separated. It's at my office, and I forgot to take a photo. Will do, if a photo can be added after the fact. I set my K-cup machine on the base, has drawers, and the compartment unit is off to the side. It fits square napkins, sugar packets, stir sticks, etc., and I chose to add some granola bars to some of the side compartments for clients. Overall, I am very pleased with the unit, as it's very classy looking for my waiting room, which includes a black Keurig, black fridge, and other black furniture.